SciCuriousID presents a fascinating look into a unique educational practice. Join us as we explore the intriguing world of Japanese schools. In many schools across the globe, the final bell signals a swift departure for students, leaving behind classrooms for janitorial staff to clean up the day's activities and any resulting mess. This is a common sight in Western-style educational institutions. However, in Japan, a different tradition unfolds.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Here, students themselves remain after classes, equipped with brooms, buckets, and cleaning cloths. They meticulously sweep floors, wipe down desks, and even scrub toilets, taking full responsibility for their learning environment. This isn't a form of punishment or detention. Rather, it's a deeply embedded cultural tradition and a fundamental part of their education, fostering a sense of responsibility and community from a young age. The practice of students cleaning their schools dates back to the early 20th century, but its underlying philosophy is much older, deeply rooted in the rich tapestry of Japanese culture and spiritual beliefs. Within Zen Buddhism and Shintoism, cleanliness transcends mere hygiene. It is intrinsically linked to harmony and spiritual well-being. The act of sweeping dust is seen as a metaphor for clearing the mind, thereby cultivating a peaceful and serene soul. When Japan embarked on modernizing its education system after the Meiji Restoration, it consciously preserved its profound moral foundation. This system aimed to teach not only academic subjects, but also kokoro, a concept encompassing heart, empathy, and a deep respect for shared spaces and the people within them. Consequently, students dedicate approximately 15 to 20 minutes each day to Souji, the designated cleaning period. This daily ritual is considered as vital and sacred as any academic lesson, emphasizing its importance in their holistic development. Beyond its symbolic value, cleaning together is scientifically powerful. Psychologists have observed that engaging in shared chores significantly builds collective responsibility among individuals, fostering a sense of mutual accountability and teamwork. When children actively participate in cleaning their environment, they develop crucial qualities such as empathy and self-discipline. This process effectively rewires the brain's reward system, creating a positive association between effort, care, and a sense of accomplishment. In Japan, schools typically do not employ janitors because the act of cleaning itself is considered a fundamental lesson. It instills respect for labor, promotes equality among all students, and teaches the value of maintaining one's surroundings. Every student, regardless of their academic standing or social confidence, participates in cleaning the same floors. This fosters moral socialization and reinforces the profound value of community, embodying the principle, if we all make the mess, we all clean it together. Even teachers actively join in the cleaning process, not merely to supervise, but to lead by example. This embodies Japan's profound emphasis on harmony, known as WA, demonstrating unity and shared responsibility within the school community. Numerous studies have consistently shown that Japanese schools report significantly lower rates of vandalism, littering, and bullying compared to the global average, highlighting the positive impact of this unique educational approach. It appears that when students take personal ownership and pride in polishing their classroom every day, they are far less likely to deface or disrespect their learning environment, fostering a sense of care and preservation. The Souji no Jikan, or cleaning time, typically lasts only about 20 minutes, yet it is a nationwide practice observed consistently across Japan, from the northern city of Sapporo all the way to the southern islands of Okinawa. Remarkably, students even undertake the task of cleaning the toilets, a duty considered to be character-building rather than degrading. This teaches humility and the importance of maintaining all aspects of their shared environment. There are rarely complaints. Children perceive it as a collaborative effort, a mini-social event that fosters teamwork. This practice also saves millions of dollars annually by eliminating the need for janitorial staff, while simultaneously cultivating a strong sense of civic pride among students. This ingrained practice extends far beyond graduation. Many Japanese adults continue to clean their offices or public spaces, from executives meticulously wiping down their desks to football fans diligently tidying stadiums after matches, showcasing a lifelong habit of responsibility. In Japan, cleanliness is far more than just a matter of hygiene. It represents harmony in motion. Every sweep of a broom, every wipe of a cloth, is considered a small, mindful meditation, contributing to a serene and orderly environment. When a student meticulously polishes a window, they are not merely removing dust. They are actively reflecting gratitude for the space that facilitates their learning and growth, connecting their actions to a deeper sense of appreciation. This embodies the quiet elegance of Japanese education, prioritizing character development first, with knowledge acquisition following. It teaches that the most profound and lasting lessons are those that are lived and experienced firsthand. So, the next time you observe Japanese students diligently cleaning their classrooms, remember that it is not a form of punishment or chore. It is a profound expression of pride, responsibility, and respect for their environment and community. Because in Japan, education transcends mere grades and academic achievements. It is fundamentally about cultivating gratitude, respect, and a sense of shared responsibility. Curious for more insights? Subscribe to SciCuriousID and continue to stay curious with us.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.